Hi folks, Mark Johnson here with Artisan Restoration, back on our barn restoration project. Snowed last week and weather was terrible, so we didn't get a lot done over here. But last time we were here we had the jacks in place and we had the wall jacked up, and we realized that the foundation down below was in such bad shape that there was nothing to put the sill on. So we had to pour some concrete on Monday. And anyway, today we're going to cut loose all these braces that were holding the wall in place, because it slipped off the. It's holding the roof in place, I should say, because it slipped off the wall. And we've cut all those, and we've secured the wall with these chains and winches here, so that we can pull the roof assembly back onto the wall where it belongs. Right now we're jacking up this portion of it here because it wasn't high enough to begin with. And anyway, after we get that done, we're going to put a number of floor joists in there that are rotted off, and then we'll put a 2x10 on top of them that the rafters are supposed to sit on. Here, I'll show you what we did last week. This is what you get with 50 bags of Saccharate. We had to build that wall out and did some repairs over there, and we still need to do some more work, but we got the 6x6 still in where it needs to be. And these are the floor joists here that I was talking about that have rotted off, so we're going to double up those and get those repaired. And over here Tyler's jacking up this wall to where it needs to be. Some of the joists actually slip below the plate, but we'll lift those up before we go any further. But we actually have to get a 2x10 on top of this, and then these guys will get cut off and they'll get fastened to that. So that's the way the roof assembly was to begin with, and I don't think we'll get it up to where it originally sat, but we're going to get it as close as possible. And we'll show you what that looks like in a couple days.